Hi, this is Zach here from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday the 14th of July. Starting off with the 88 Energy, where we've finally broken back above the 50-day moving average, currently at 1.82 pence for the first time since the early part of April. While we're above that, looking for decent progress, probably the initial target here back towards 3 pence. Best case scenario target over the next 2 to 3 months as high as 5 pence, which is the top of this rising February price channel. The good news here is basically the consolidation that we've had over the last few months happened entirely above the 200-day moving average of 1.42 pence, which is only seen in the most bullish of situations in general. Coal of Africa is next, and private investor favorite, broke out of that channel, which was rising from January, bounced off the 200-day moving average at 2.84 pence. And really, while we're above that, looking for a reasonable rebound to retest the best levels of the year to date between 5 and 6 pence. If you're cautious on the stock, maybe wait for an end of day close back above the 50-day moving average at 3.79 pence. On to IGas, which is perennially in focus as well with private investors. Here we've got a situation where we're bouncing off the floor of the range from the last year. Likely scenarios that we've got a rebound off this support line from December. Top of that channel heading back towards 18 pence over the next couple of months. If you're cautious on the stock, maybe wait for an end of day close back above the initial January support, 12.75 pence, before pressing the buy button. Stop loss obviously back below 10 pence otherwise. Ironbridge is next, and looking quite a rampant situation here. Rising trend channel from February here, heading towards 12 pence, and that's a target over the next 1 month or so, especially while we hold above the initial July resistance at 6.24 pence. Sunrise Resources often in focus on the bulletin board heroes, and looks like that the bulls are finally going to get their way over the near term. Got this V-shaped extended bull flag resting basically between the 50 and 200-day moving averages, at least while above the 50-day line at 0.177 pence. We're looking for further gains, initially to test 0.25 pence resistance from June. But a weekly close above that could take us to the next big target, which is 0.45 pence at the top of a September rising trend channel. Finishing off with a relatively obscure stock, but one which has started to come into focus in the near recent past, TP Group. Got a wide rising trend channel here heading towards 8 pence and a V-shaped or U-shaped bull flag. Looking very attractive there. End of day close above 5 pence, which was the initial July peak, pointing us to 8 pence for TP Group over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Stop loss back below the 50-day moving average at 3.74 pence. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.